I will sound very cheesy when I say I get more excited about MBC all of the time. Just this morning, I'm sitting with a client and we're looking at a beautiful graph that is showing their improvement. And there's nothing better than knowing that this person truly feels empowered and truly has that confidence that they've grown or they've had improvement. So I know I saw in the Q&A somebody was asking, well, what's one of the best things or the most important thing about measurement-based care? To me, it's empowering people. And recently, this was last week, was working with a client where we were looking at a discrepancy between how they were presenting and what the data were saying. And so after I explained to this client how important it is to me to truly understand her experiences and how happy I was that the data helped us see that we weren't on the same page. The goal is we want to get on the same page. But the data helped us understand something really important. And her response was, thank you for caring. So to me, that's the best thing about measurement-based care. It's the way it helps us connect. It's the way it helps us build alliance. It's the way that it helps us empower clients that we work with. So when the benefit of a practice is as a parent, why would you not want to keep it up? So share those stories, share those little magic moments, as we like to call them, because when we can hear that from our peers, that's really, really helpful.